We all know a lack of sleep can cause the all too familiar feeling of fatigue and grogginess, but did you know it can also lead to a weakened immune system, weight gain, higher blood pressure, anxiety, and depression? Y'all, we need to get our sleep. This video is sponsored by Bed Bath & Beyond. For me personally, I get so frustrated when I go to bed at a normal time and can't fall asleep, and then hours go by and I'm still not asleep. I don't get a good night's rest. I'm what they call an overthinker sleeper. Every little thing, from the positioning of my pillow to just something weird that happened that day, keep me up at night. My mind wanders for hours and I can't seem to get a grip of just shutting it down. So today I'm getting to the bottom of this because I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Now, if you're in need of sleep products, Bed Bath & Beyond has got you covered. They have rooms upon rooms of every product you could think of, from blackout curtains to pillows just for your legs. Because I'm such an overthinker, I went in to find some products to help relax me into drifting off to sleep quicker. It really never ceases to amaze me how a little cardio can completely transform your outlook on life and boost your energy levels. So anytime I'm in a funk or I'm having trouble sleeping, I try and get in a good workout. Exercise has been proven to help promote sleep, and sometimes the reason I can't sleep is just because maybe I edited a video all day and I was just sitting down and I really need to wear my body out. One of the biggest factors for getting good sleep for me and a lot of people is having a really dark room. There's definitely some light pollution that gets into my room, so a good eye mask is super key. So I'm very excited to be trying out the therapeutic weighted eye mask. I've tried a lot of eye masks and some of them will still let in light, but because this one is weighted, it just completely blacks everything out. So I'm actually about to try it for the first time. Ready? Here we go. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, this is great because it doesn't get into my sinus area either. You know, as an overthinker of a sleeper, the littlest things will bother me and not allow me to go to sleep. So some eye masks will kind of go onto your nose and it blocks your sinuses a little bit and then it makes it harder to sleep. This is the therapeutic cool to the touch weighted cooling blanket, and I got it in a small. Okay, if you've never tried a weighted blanket, it seems weird. You're like, okay, is it like super heavy? Am I gonna get super hot? It really isn't. It's just like a slight pressure and it feels super relaxing. It eliminated that need of a feeling for me to toss and turn, and I actually stay in one place and I drift off to sleep a lot faster. So I looked it up and basically it's this deep touch pressure and that boosts your serotonin and it helps you sleep, and it just relaxes you. And honestly, like, I'm getting sleepy right now. You really got to try one of these. These are the Under the Canopy sheets. They're made with organic cotton that's naturally grown. Nothing like getting into bed to a nice, clean, crisp set of sheets. So I'm just gonna stick these in the wash and then go make dinner and stuff. Too great over here. The whole fillet just kind of fell apart. Oops. Not my best work. Another thing I found helpful is to journal and write out all of your thoughts. My life may seem really ideal right now, but honestly, I've been going through a really weird time personally, and I've had thoughts in my head that have totally just kept me up at night. Now I journal everything I'm feeling from the day out, and sometimes it helps me come to a conclusion on a feeling, and other times it just helps me spill that emotion so I don't carry it with me into bed. I know this is cheesy, but lastly, if you're someone that worries a lot about the future, just writing down things that you're grateful for in the moment. This helps me stay thankful for today rather than worrying about tomorrow, because if you're worrying about tomorrow as you go to bed, that's definitely gonna affect your sleep. Now it's time to get my room ready. So I sleep better in cooler temperatures, so I typically open the window and that does the trick. Then I do a quick pickup of my room. This is another one of those things that really helps soothe my mind from overthinking or worrying. And tonight I'm making my bed with my new sheets from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they are so silky and comfortable. And I'm wondering, how often do you guys change your sheets? I'm very curious, so if you're watching this video still, comment below how often you change your sheets. Just got into bed, it's 10:45. I'm gonna set an alarm for 6:45. Next step, I'm going to to place my phone far away from my bed, like without arm's reach, so that I can't be tempted to look at it. This is like a big thing mentally to really turn your brain off and like focus on going to sleep, is knowing that you can't easily grab your phone. I will check back with you guys in the morning, but hopefully I have a really good night's sleep. I feel like I did everything right tonight though. Like, you should be good. See that? Good morning. Oh my gosh, this blanket. I love you, blanket. Good morning, you guys. 1 month later. No, seriously, this stuff was so good that I slept for a whole month. People were like worried about me. I'm joking, obviously, but it has been a month since I filmed all of that stuff. I wanted to give it some time to report back to you guys about these products. Oh my god. Also, in that time I got a dog. Everyone say hi to Oliver. But seriously, I have been sleeping so much better for the better part of this new year. All of the habits I have instilled have definitely helped me a lot, and these products as well. I have to say, this weighted blanket, I cannot live without it. Like, it like puts me to sleep. As someone that's struggled just a little, like nothing super serious I'd go for a doctor for, but it is a little bit frustrating sometimes. This weighted blanket truly has relaxed me and had me just drifting off to sleep in minutes. I'm not even kidding. It is my #1 favorite sleep thing now. And I gotta say, these under the canopy sheets, they are my favorite as well. They feel so silky and soft. I'm obsessed with them. They're just so cozy. So if you're looking for some new sheets too, I love these under the canopy sheets. I don't know what's up with them, and they're good for the environment. Thank you again to Bed Bath & Beyond for sponsoring this video. I'll have the products linked below. Definitely check them out or go into your nearest Bed Bath & Beyond. Also, if you're into all this like wellness and health stuff, check out my vlogs. I'll have the link below. I'm trying to vlog a lot more this year. The theme of this month is wellness and health. I'm trying out a bunch of different things, and I'm just trying to get healthy and be my best self for this new year. So be sure to check that out too. I'm feeling so good though. So thank you guys for watching. Happy slumbers. I'll see you next time. Bye.